Hi, it's the day for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, the next ingredient for our stuffing is bell pepper. Now we have a beautiful red bell pepper here, a little bit sweeter than the green. This is a ripe bell pepper, so we're going to use about half of this. So I like to split it down lengthwise. First, we'll set this aside. We're just going to use half. You're going to see the seed pod here. We're just going to just take your thumb and pull that off just like that. Really easy to do. And some of the seeds will come out. There's a rib that comes along here. No harm using it, but we take that out. So instead of using this side, which your knife can actually slide off and you might get hurt, go ahead and open it up like this. Again, this is for stuffing, so we want this to be pretty thinly diced. So I like to go long ways here, just like that. And just go ahead and just kind of roll your bell pepper open like that. Now you have a nice flat surface. And then take those pieces and just run your knife through, just like that.